A strange noise has been detected inside Boeing's Starliner capsule during its mission to the International Space Station, perplexing both the astronauts and space industry experts. The sound, which comes through a speaker on board, has no technical impact but remains unexplained. NASA is investigating the cause, considering hypotheses such as electronic interference or sonar from outside the craft. Since the Starliner will be returning without crew members, there's no immediate urgency to resolve the issue, though it serves as an opportunity for thorough investigation that could reveal hidden issues in future space missions.